Good morning, children. Today I am going to teach you the another topic, supply of money, in the chapter Money and Banking. And last year you have studied the terms demand and supply related to goods. Here I am going to explain the same term, that is supply, related to money. And supply of money in general means it is a total amount of money in an economy. So you just apply the same term, that is the supply related to goods. So that means whatever the things needed for the consumers, they are supplied in an economy. So here also we can see the definition of the supply of money in an economy. So in general I told you that is the amount, total amount of money circulates in an economy. And here we can see the amount of currency in circulation at a given time. And in other words, it is the stock of the liquid assets held by the general public of an economy. So stock of liquid assets. In the previous video, I have discussed the stock of liquid assets. Liquid assets in a different form. That means in cash, in demand deposits, time deposits, saving certificates. And I explained the different degrees also. The cash is the most liquid form of asset also. Next, I am going to explain the classification of the money supply. That is, the first one is the currencies. That is the currency held by the public and the currencies with the commercial banks. The second one is commercial banks deposits with the central bank. Third one is government agencies. They also deposits money with the central bank. Fourth one is reserve money. That is the first one, currency plus commercial banks deposits plus government agencies deposits. Fifth one is demand deposits held by the public with the commercial banks. Sixth one is narrow money supply. That is currency held by public plus, that is demand deposits. Seventh one is time and savings deposits held by the public. And eighth one is broad money supply. Time and saving deposits, I told you that there is certain maturity period is there. At that time you can deposit and redeem back your money also. Next one is broad money supply, that is the narrow money plus the time and savings deposits. Next I am going to explain the high powered money. That is, high powered money means that is also the currency held by the public plus the demand deposits in the commercial banks as well as the other deposits with the RBI. So this is the base money which provides the basis for the country's money supply also. That means it serves as the base money. If all these things are more, it injects money into an economy. It injects more money into an economy also. And next we can see the commercial banks regarding the money multiplier. Money multiplier here defined as the ratio between the base money and money supply. And the formula to find out the money multiplier is money supply divided by the base money. Money multiplier, the term means that is the money multiples in an economy. How the money multiples in an economy? That is explained here. That I told you that the high powered money serves as the basis for the money supply in an economy also. And the formula is also the total money supply divided by the base money in an economy. Next one is neutrality of money. This is one theory which states that a changes in the quantity of the money is duly affected by the changes in the price levels and not real variables. And I told you in a class different macroeconomic variables, different variables are there. But this theory asserts that only the changes in the quantity of money is duly affected by the changes in the price levels also. So that is the neutrality of the money. That is, it is not affected by other variables. That is neutral here. So that is neutrality of money. And next we can explain regarding the money supply and general price levels. This is the other theory which explains the relation between money supply and general price level also. This theory also asserts that the money supply is duly affected by the general price levels in an economy. That means if price increases, what happens to money supply, and decreases, what happens to money supply. This is also the other theory which explains the relation between the money supply and the general price level. And this theory, here we can see that the theory states increase in price is caused only by the increase in money supply. The price level is directly proportional to money supply. Directly proportional means that is the increases in the price level increases the money supply in the same proportion also. And so these are the two theories which explains the relationship between the price and the money supply. And the quantity theory of money explains the proportional relation with the price level as well as the money supply also. So thank you for watching this video, children.